Hi friends, welcome to Study Dunia Odisha GK Part 2. Question number 51. Who was the last Chief Minister of Odisha before independence? Option A. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Option B. Krishna Chandra Gajapati. Option C. Navakrishna Chaudhary. Option D. Biju Patnaik. Right answer option A. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Question number 52. Who was the last governor of Odisha before independence? Option A. Chandulal Madhavlal Trivedi. Option B. Kailasnath Katsu. Option C. Bhimsen Sachar. Option D. P.S. Krishnaswamy Raja. Right answer option A. Chandulal Madhavlal Trivedi. Question number 53. When was the bill for renaming Orissa to Odisha passed in the Lok Sabha? Option A. 9 November 2009. Option B. 9 November 2010. Option C. 9 November 2011. Option D. 9 November 2012. Right answer option B. 9 November 2010. Question number 54. When was the bill for renaming Orissa to Odisha passed in the Rajya Sabha? Option A. 24 March 2010. Option B. 24 March 2011. Option C. 24 March 2012. Option D. 24 March 2013. Right answer option B. 24 March 2011. Question number 55. On which river banks is Dhauli located? Option A. Brahmani River. Option B. Mahanadi River. Option C. Baitarani River. Option D. Daya River. Right answer option D. Daya River. Question number 56. When were Bihar and Orissa divisions separated from the Bengal Presidency as Bihar and Orissa province? Option A. 22 March 1910. Option B. 22 March 1911. Option C. 22 March 1912. Option D. 22 March 1913. Right answer option C. 22 March 1912. Question number 57. When were Bihar and Orissa split into separate provinces? Option A. 1st April 1933. Option B. 1st April 1934. Option C. 1st April 1935. Option D. 1st April 1936. Right answer option D. 1st April 1936. Question number 58. When did the Orissa famine take place? Option A. 1866. Option B. 1896. Option C. 1906. Option D. 1966. Right answer option A. 1866. Question number 59. Odisha lies between the latitude of option A. 16.780 north and 21.730 north. Option B. 17.780 north and 22.730 north. Option C. 18.780 north and 23.730 north. Option D. 19.7 24.780 north and 24.730 north. Right answer option B, 17.780 north and 22.730 north. Question number 60. Odisha lies between the longitude of right answer option A, 81.37 east and 87.53 east. Question number 61. What is the approximate length of the coastline of Odisha? Option A, 485 km, option B, 585 km, option C, 685 km, option D, 785 km. Right answer option A, 485 km. Question number 62. Which is the largest river of Odisha? Option A, Subarnarekha river, option B, Baitarani river, option C, Mahanadi river, option D, Brahmani river. Right answer option C, Mahanadi river. Question number 63. Which is the largest lake of Odisha? Option A, Kanjia lake, option B, Chilika lake, option C, Ansupa lake, option D, Tampara lake. Right answer option B, Chilika lake. Question number 64. How many cratons do Odisha consist of? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Right answer option B 2. Question number 65. When was Bhitarkanika mangroves declared as Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary? Option A 1952, option B 1975, option C 1962, option D 1999. Right answer option B 1975. Question number 66. How many physiographic regions in is Odisha divided? Option A 3 regions, option B 4 regions, option C 5 regions, option D 6 regions. Right answer option C 5 regions. Question number 66. How many development blocks are in Odisha? Option A 114 blocks, option B 214, option C 314, option D 414 blocks. Right answer option C 314 blocks. Question number 68. Which is the highest mountain peak in Odisha? Option A Devamali, option B Malyagiri, option C Mahendragiri, option D Singaraju. Right answer option A Devamali. Question number 69. How many rivers are included in the Hexadeltaic region? Option A 4 river, option B 5 river, option C 6 river, option D 7 rivers. Right answer option C 6 rivers. Question number 70. In which district is the Baleshwar plain located? Option A Bhadrag district, option B Bargarh district, option C Baleshwar district, option D Balangir district. Right answer option C Baleshwar district. Question number 71. How many major flood plains are in Odisha? Option A 5 flood plains, option B 7 flood plains, option C 9 flood plains, option D 11 flood plains. Right answer option C 9 flood plains. Question number 72. In which district of Odisha was the second oldest rocks on the planet found? Option A Kalahandi district, option B Kendusar district, option C Dhenkanal district, option D Rayagada district. Right answer option B Kendusar district. Question number 73. Which river originates outside Odisha? Option A Baitarani river, option B Brahmani river, option C Budhabolanga river, option D Salandi river. Right answer option B Brahmani river. Question number 74. Which river originates outside Odisha? Option A Rushikulia river, option B Subarnarekha river, option C Mahanadi river, option D Ivy river. Right answer option A Rushikulia river. Question number 75. Which river originates inside Odisha but flows through other state? Option A Nagavali river, option B Subarnarekha river, option C Budhabolanga river, option D Rushikulia river. Right answer option A Nagavali river. Question number 76. Which is the second largest river of Odisha? Option A Budhabolanga river, option B Brahmani river, option C Baitarani river, option D Subarnarekha river. Right answer option B Brahmani river. Question number 77. Which is the highest waterfall of Odisha? Option A Duduma, option B Furli Jharana, option C Barehi Pani, option D Khandadhar. Right answer option C Barehi Pani. Question number 78. Chandikhol spring is a tributary to which river? Option A Mahanadi, option B Brahmani, option C Indravati, option D Brahmani. Right answer option A Mahanadi. Question number 79. Which lake is the largest brackish water lagoon in world? Option A Sara Lake, option B Kanjya Lake, option C Ansupa Lake, option D Chilika Lake. Right answer option D Chilika Lake. Question number 80. Which dam is built across the Mahanadi river? Option A Hirakuda Dam, option B Indravati Dam, option C Kolab Dam, option D Mandira Dam. Right answer option A Hirakuda Dam. Question number 81. When was the Central Rice Research Institute established? Option A 1933, option B 1944, option C 1955, option D 1966. Right answer option D 1966. Question number 82. Which is the second highest point in Odisha after Devmali? Option A Singaraju, option B Golikoda, option C Sinkaram, option D Endrika. Right answer option C Sinkaram. Question number 83. Which district of Odisha has the most number of wild orchid species? Option A Mayurabhanj district, option B Sundargarh district, option C Nabarangpur district, option D Devagad district. Right answer option A Mayurabhanj district. Question number 84. When was the Nandanganan Zoological Park established? Option A 1960, option B 1950, option C 1970, option D 1990. Right answer option A 1960. Question number 85. In which district is Similpal National Park located? Option A Keonjhar district, option B Bhadrag district, option C Baleshwar district, option D Mayurabhanj district. Right answer option D Mayurabhanj district. Question number 86. When was Chandaka Elephant Sanctuary designated as an elephant reserve? Option A 1962, option B 1972, option C 1982, option D 1992. Right answer option C 1982. Question number 87. In which district is Bhitarkaniga National Park located? Option A Kendrapada district, option B Jagatsinghpur district, option C Jajpur district, option D Baleshwar district. Right answer option A Kendrapada district. Question number 88. Which beach of Odisha is the world's most important nesting beach for olive ridley sea turtles? Option A Balaramgadi beach, option B Gahirmatha beach, option C Gopalpur beach, option D Puri beach. Right answer option B Gahirmatha beach. Question number 89. What is the Satpada famous for? Option A dolphin, option B white tiger, option C wild orchid, option D crocodile. Right answer option A dolphin. Question number 90. Where is the endangered horseshoe crab found in Odisha? Option A Bhitarkaniga Sanctuary, option B Devagad Sanctuary, option C Vichitrapur Sanctuary, option D Koprak Sanctuary. Right answer option A Bhitarkaniga Sanctuary. Question number 91. When was Bhitarkaniga National Park established? Option A 1968, option B 1978, option C 1988, option D 1998. Right answer option D 1998. Question number 92. Who is the current Justice of Orissa High Court? Who is the current Chief Justice of Orissa High Court? Option A. Sudhanshu Dhulia. Option B. S. Muralidhara. Option C. S. Mani Kumar. Option D. Sanjeev Banerjee. Right answer option B. S. Muralidhara. Question number 93. Who is the current Chief Secretary of Odisha? Option A. Anil Kumar Khachi. Option B. Suresh Chandra Mahapatra. Option C. Rajendra Kumar Tiwari. Option D. Sukhdev Singh. Right answer option B. Suresh Chandra Mahapatra, Chief Secretary of Odisha. Question number 94. Who is the Speaker of Odisha Legislative Assembly? Option A. Surya Narayan Patra. Option B. Pasang Dorji Sona. Option C. Biman Banerjee. Option D. Charan Das Mahant. Right answer option A. Surya Narayan Patra. Question number 95. Who is the Deputy Speaker of Odisha Legislative Assembly? Option A. Ranbir Singh Gandhwa. Option B. Rajnikant Singh. Option C. Raghunath Singh Chauhan. Option D. Konkham Rabindra Singh. Right answer option B. Rajnikant Singh. Question number 96. Who is the leader of opposition in the Odisha Legislative Assembly? Option A. Shankar Oram. Option B. Pradipta Kumar Naik. Option C. Bhavani Shankar Bhai. Option D. Narsingh Mishra. Right answer option B. Pradipta Kumar Naik. Question number 97. When was the first pre-independence assembly election held in Odisha? Option A. 3 February 1937. Option B. 3 February 1939. Option C. 3 February 1934. Option D. 3 February 1935. Right answer option A. 3 February 1937. Question number 98. When was the first assembly election after the independence held in Odisha? Option A. 20 February 1952. Option B. 20 February 1951. Option C. 20 February 1950. Option D. 20 February 1949. Right answer option A. 20 February 1952. Question number 99. In which assembly election was Surya Narayan Patra elected as the Speaker of Odisha Legislative Assembly? Option A. 2020. Option B. 2019. Option C. 2018. Option D. 2017. Right answer option B. 2019. Question number 100. Who was the first leader of opposition in the Odisha Legislative Assembly after independence? Option A. Sadashiv Tripathi. Option B. Rajendra Narayan Singh. Option C. Shraddhakar Supakar. Option D. Gandhar Mahapatra. Option right answer option C. Shraddhakar Supakar.